I made it. Just a quick drive from my house. I hear water, but it doesn't seem like it's gonna be far, so that's good. Because I'm trying to beat the sun before I get to my Airbnb and get food and stuff, so. It's beautiful. This path. Walk a little bit more since I literally got here in no time, so I'm not sure. I feel like it is because yeah, but I hear more water, so let me head that way. This would be a cool place with more rain. I'm just glad it was close. Oh, how cool. How obstructed is here. Still here, enjoying myself. I'm so glad that I made it before true sunset. And then I'm skedaddling, so I can get out of here. Come on. Go down this side. Alright guys, I made it. Waterfalls. This, oh shoot! Walk with caution, okay? Don't do what I do, okay? I'm about to head out. Alright, I came and I saw sun's going down, so I'm thinking smart. I'm about to head back to the car and I'll see y'all at the Airbnb. Where am I? Good job. Chinchillas, the bears. Oh my gosh. Do you see the little light? Yeah, that's exactly how I see it. How am I supposed to get over there? Okay, I made it. I'm here at this cute little Airbnb. It's a loft style, cute and cozy, just enough space for me. I'll be here for about 2 nights, not too long, just a quick little getaway. I'll be able to show in the morning. There's a creek in the back off the porch. So it goes with the nature vibes. You catch the wood, the earth tones, all of that goes with the nature vibe. Just to disconnect, I recently finished writing a book titled I Surrender, a love story that starts and ends with God, and it's just been so on time. My whole journey and process of editing, writing, editing, and finishing this book has just been like perfect timing. So I just wanted to disconnect, treat myself also before I go back to work. So that's just exactly what I'm doing. I have another, maybe 2 more parks to check out tomorrow, so I'll do that. I saw Falls Hollow Park today, right before the sun went down, and it was like perfect timing because I had it to myself, and so I enjoyed that. And right as I was getting to my car, another car pulled up, and I was like, yes, good timing. Come on now, in tune. That's what I'm talking about. But it definitely gets dark, especially when there's no street lights or anything. So yeah, I just gotta time my day out in a way that I can still see before I get to the destination or to my what is this, Airbnb? I need to, yeah, I prefer to see during the daytime. So I'm about to make this journey. I ordered extra food to just be mindful of that, just in case tomorrow I get, you know, carried away in nature. I want to enjoy myself. So I ordered a pizza, some chicken wraps. I have a salad. Yeah, I have a salad. I'm about to eat that now while I wait. And I got some cinnamon sticks, so we'll see. But yeah, I'm about to relax and I'll see y'all tomorrow. All right, I finally got myself together, but this is a different experience. I love how sometimes there's surprises, and I talk about camping, and I've always wanted to do like a legitimate camping experience, not glamping, but a true camping experience. And this is glamping because of course I'm inside. I have a toilet, and my basic necessities. I don't have a sink in here, but there is a sink for the dishes. But this location is running on a septic tank, so they just request not to flush like heavy items, toiletry items, and to drink, bring your own water to drink and cook from. But in here in the bathroom real quick, they don't have a sink, and this is the little mirror, so we're very innovative here. And there's no heat throughout the whole unit, so I've had to adjust and adapt, but I've made it work. So we are on to our next location. It's another waterfall to check out, so yeah, headed that way. All right, I made it, but I think the trail starts here, but I'll be right back. I gotta change my shoes. Going, to be honest. I found this trail that leads here, so I think I'm doing okay. Stillhouse Falls, 0.7. Waterfalls, overlook. 0.7. is so peaceful, guys. I currently have it to myself and I kind of want to walk all the way around, but it's kind of a little tight over here in this cave. I'm in the cave, man. Bruh. I'm doing too much. I'm trying to hurry up before people come. This is so cool. I'm gonna enjoy the rest of this, and I'll see y'all back at the Airbnb or back on the road. Ooh, we're not gonna get. My happy face. Okay, guys. Guys, just finished my hike. Enjoyed nature, of course, as always. Now heading to get gas and food for later. My Airbnb that I'm at doesn't have a microwave, so I'm being mindful of that and getting a salad for later. Okay, so I'm on the road again, and I'll most likely end this vlog or this mini road trip with some B-roll of me leaving. I hope you all enjoy, spend some time out in nature, reset, decompress, all the good things. I'll see y'all next time. For this upcoming year to spend more quality time with others, enjoy it just as I do with myself, or even more, get back into that now that I've created more space mentally and physically and emotionally for others. So y'all have a good rest of your day and enjoy the rest of my ride. I'll see you next time.